All right, I'm gonna be doing a very quick and dirty thing. Like in my last video, this spins. It's not supposed to spin. I got batteries in it. And if I screw it on all the way so it's tight, it doesn't close. The teeth don't line up. Okay, so I'm going to be putting a tiny dab of super glue on the threads, and I'm using this super glue. Someone in my comments on my previous video told me to use 5-minute epoxy, but oh my god, no way. Come on, there we go. But I don't have 5-minute epoxy, and I don't have the patience for it, so I'll be doing this. Let me see if I can just, yep, oh my god, that's very much. I'll be doing this, then putting it straight on, like that, and then closing it. Okay. Gonna have a tiny piece ready to be used. Okay. Shit. Okay, that was bad. Tiny droplet. And there we go. Okay. Do this. I'll leave this for a few minutes. I should probably leave it for longer, but like I said before, I'm extremely impatient. And I want my sonic screwdriver. Okay, let's see. It closes very nicely, and it is in fact no longer spinning. Are there any marks of the super glue? I don't believe so. Nope, I don't see it. My Sonic opens like that, just it's loose like in the beginning, but then when you get past it, it's fine. It's a very small button, hard to press. Love it. Very good. Awesome. If this happens to you, please let me know. And be very careful because the super glue can set, might set too quickly on you. So like you won't be able to close it. I'm very happy with that. Extremely happy with it. Ooh, whoa. Is that just the, yeah, okay, yeah. That's just the, all right, anyway, awesome. Here it is next to the, again. Oh, you can barely hear it. Oh my God, wait. It's the same, like, okay, both of these are like the same pitch, like, no, the same sound. But this one, I feel like it, like the pitch could, because it gets like blocked inside here, I feel like the pitch goes up. Listen. I don't know. Yeah, this one doesn't. All right, very happy with that. Worked extremely well, just like I thought it would. And yeah, see you.